Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome again. Today I want to show you my new game is that is Bomberman version Scratch. This game you just to defeat 5 crabs and to move you if you want to move right you can press D. If you want to move left you press A. You if move if down you press S, and up is W. Okay, let's begin the game. In here, if you touch crab 3 times, you can defeat. This if you win